Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that two women from Banu Hudayl got into a quarrel and one of them pelted the other with a stone and killed her and her fetus. They, the slain guardians, submitted the case to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam decreed that the indemnity of the fetus is a male or female slave and commanded that the killer's paternal relatives would pay the woman's slain bloodwit, and declared the woman's slain's progeny and relatives as heir to it. The bloodwit. Hamal bin Nabigha Hudayli said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, how should I pay the indemnity against a child who has neither eaten nor drunk nor spoken nor yelled? The bloodwit of such a child is not paid. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he seems a soothsayer's brother due to these rhymed sentences. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4367.